Okay, hi. So I saw this live stream where this girl was like, Jesus is not God, but he is God. And we're going to jump into scripture to show why it is. And mind you, she was trying to use scripture to say that he isn't, which scripture makes it really, really clear. So I've got some verses for you. We're going to jump into Matthew 1:23 for the first one. It says, Behold, the virgin shall be with child and bear a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which is translated, God with us. I feel like that's the most, obvious one. But if that doesn't work for you, we can go to Exodus 3:14, where God says to Moses, I am who I am. And then John 8:58, when asked who he is, Jesus responds with, before Abraham was, I am. Directly quoting God himself. Anyway, and then it goes to John 1:1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God, and the Word was with God. And then later on, in John 1:14, you see, and the Word became flesh and dwelt among us. That also seems really obvious. I don't understand where her confusion is. And then there was, at some point, she mentioned that that he's exclaiming, that he's using the Lord's name in vain. First of all, that wouldn't happen. They're very religious. Like, all those people were very religious. Religion was huge back then. And not to use the Lord's name in vain is the third commandment. So why on earth would a man who's following Jesus, following God, use the Lord's name in vain directly in front of him? And why would Jesus not correct him? Why? That doesn't make sense. But we're going to read the verse itself because she kept bringing it up. But then I'm looking at it myself and it doesn't say just my God. He says, and Thomas answered and said to him, my Lord and my God. He's calling him God. My God. I'm trying not to be sassy. I'm really excited. I'm really hyped. I'm not being sassy. There's a difference.